I was teaching or tutoring Java, or how would I learn it from scratch? So first of all, to run Java programs, you have to install Java. To be able to compile your code, run this code, and see something in output. Second thing, I think it's needed to have basic Linux knowledge and Bash scripting knowledge, because you will work with command line a lot since beginning, and during the whole your future career or learning learning path, you will use uh, command line a lot to navigate through your file system, or just to run bash scripts sometimes, or just type some maven or gradle commands to build and compile your project. So another thing which is needed, I would say, Git and GitHub. Source code management is important. I think it's also should be learned uh, at the beginning. So, and the last thing, but not the least, I would say modern IDEs like IntelliJ, Eclipse, and maybe NetBeans, but I'm not sure it's common used now. So in case of IntelliJ IDEA, they have a community edition, or if you're a student or you have a license, you can obtain a Ultimate Edition, which is much better because it has more opportunities. But on the other hand, you can improve your Community Edition with some plugins that are available on Marketplace. So I think for the initial part, it's everything. I hope this information will help you in future, and in future videos we will talk about Java, basic Java, and also I will provide some links in the description. You can solve some tasks, beginning tasks, and install Java. I will also drop a link for Java documentation. So Oracle, they have a really good documentation and really good beginners tutorials how to start Java. And I think that's all, and hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and see you next video. Ciao.